Hello Virgo, welcome to my channel. This is your weekly career business money from 2nd November to 8th November. This is a general reading. Not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. Also, this is a reading in which you get to know what opportunities are going to be presented to you in this week. Also, what challenges or obstacles you could face, Virgo, so that you can handle it well. This is based on your Sun, Moon and Venus rising. Could check those videos as well. So let's start, Virgo. 3 shuffles. General energies for Virgos in the week 2nd to 8th. General energies for Virgos in the week 2nd to 8th. So general energies for Virgo in the week 2nd to 8th. So I'll take the cards now. King of Pentacles, that's great. Page of Rods, that is called Page of Wands too. 6 of Cups in reverse, so this I get here. The Empress, so this is your card here. The Hanged Man. The Nine of Rods. So Virgo, it seems that King of Pentacles, you have been working hard, you have been slogging hard, and you have achieved a lot. King of Pentacles knows how to make money, how to move towards success. You have been consistently working hard, and you've seen growth. You have seen stability in your finances. You have seen your for whatever you worked in, you see them actually happening now. The rewards or the returns coming slowly. That's what I feel. Pentacle energy is always slow. King of Pentacles, so you know what you want and you have been working towards it, and you can see the results now. You are satisfied at this level, that things have changed for the better from the previous months, Virgo. This is what I get here. You have made some wise investments. You are looking for a sound future financial foundation, and you are making the wise investments, saving some money, investing this money, and also working hard. You are also taking care of your family, friends. That's what I get with this card here. Very focused energy, very hardworking energy. Page of Rods. So this is like a communication coming, information coming, a message coming here. Yeah, so this is definitely a communication coming to you, some message coming to you here. It could be a news. It is of course good news for you here. It could be a small good news, you being appreciated, of material gain, a change. Also, okay, so this I get here. So definitely some communication coming regarding that is what a good news coming to you, which will make you feel better. You will feel good about it. That's what I get here. But also with this card, somewhere I'm getting, there could be issues with the law, there could be issues with the police, complaints. So if there is any such kind of, because this card is like an immature, if you are acting immaturely, you could be caught up in legal or legal issues. So beware of that immature energy. This is for some of you here, because after that I get the 6 of Cups. This could be in your personal life or professional life, that some of you falling trapped to some relationship issues here. That's what I feel. That is for some of you here. Which could lead to some legal issues, fallout, or things getting nasty. That's what I get. This is for some of you here. So beware, just beware of those energies if at all there. Yeah. So you have to be careful, especially with legal matters. You need to be really careful this week. Things could go out of hand. It could become even if it's in your workplace, a legal notice being served for something that you might not be aware. So it's like that. So handle this well. Be aware of this energy. That's what I feel here. Then Emperor's card. You will look good. You will feel good. This is maybe or some person could help you out with these issues, the legal issues. That could be a thing, like an Empress energy, somebody, an elder from your family or your boss or someone senior to you who is very charming, has a lot of wisdom and very loving and caring, could help you out of this situation here if there is a legal issue. Also, it could be your energy wherein you are feeling great, you look good, you are enjoying small pleasures of life. For some of you, you could expect a birth, of a child. If this is for some of you here with this Empress energy, but it also shows growth, abundance. This is a card of walking from winter to spring. So your financial condition, your work is will be getting better. This is a major arcana card. Over the time, you will see that your work and your business and your job money situation will get better. So you will be walking from this cold winter to spring to warmth to that's the energy it is carrying here. The Hanged Man. So some of you will be feeling sometimes that you are stuck in some situation, in a job in which you are not happy, or you are stuck in a business situation or a partnership that you are not happy, Virgo. So you will take a step back and think out of box, out of box kind of thought, or seeing things with a different perspective. Also, some of you could seek spiritual growth, practice meditation, yoga. That's the kind of thing, so that you can balance your inner and outer, mind, body and soul. That's what again I feel here. Also, maybe you will be thinking that you will be sacrificing some small comfort, some luxury time now, because you are seeing the big picture there. You are seeing a big picture that is going to play in your future. So you will be making some small sacrifices, with your luxury time, with your comforts, or maybe doing a lot of hard work, so that you can see that you are getting better in the larger frame, in the coming times. That's what I get here with this Hanged Man card. Nine of Wands. Some of you are still wondering, you will be wondering, you'll feel, because I feel here that some of you who are still stuck in situation for whom situations have not changed, because energies don't change for everybody at the same time. So some of you are still wondering if you are a bad job, you are stuck at a bad job situation, a bad business, not working out. So you will be hurt, you are hurt, you are guided, but you're still standing and facing things boldly. Nine of Wands is a card of standing the ground, not leaving things. So this is but you need to understand, after 9, it's a 10 card, so 10 will be like completion. There's a lot of work to do, there will be a lot of targets to be met, maybe some unrealistic targets, which is not achievable. So for that you might be stressed, you might feel hurt. That's what I feel for some of you. There's a lot of grinding in your work situation, overload of work, which might make you feel this way, hurt, but you will carry it forward, you will complete your work. That's what Virgos are known to be, really hardworking. And you will, even if from the Nine of Wands, you will give a tough fight and you will achieve your targets. That's what I get here. You have only the King of Pentacles, so you are getting money from rental, leases, anything, stock market, contracts, fixed deposits, farming land, anything you say here, that you will be getting. Some of you will be traveling for work or personal life issues, and or personal in your personal life, but it looks that travel is going to make you happy and you're feeling good about it. So this is it, Virgo, for this week. If you do like my readings, I'll pull out an angel guidance card, for you. So what angel messages are there for Virgo? Good fortune, see. Invite magic in. So Virgo, very nice card. So good fortune, invite magic in. Good fortune is coming. You just need to open your arms and receive it. So this is it, Virgo. If you do like my reading, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much.